Face squishy. Yay! We had the perfect wedding and it was the best night and we're so happy.
To do it.
Love you, Max.
Love you. Love you, Elaine.
Max, will you have this woman to be your wedded wife, to live together in holy marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor and keep her, forsaking all others, keeping only unto her as long as you both shall live? If so, respond, I do.
I do.
After all these years, I still love you. Through every single tear we've ever cried. 'Cause after all these years, it brought the two of us right here. No place I'd rather be. After all these years.
Elaine, will you have this man to be your wedded husband, to live together in holy marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor and keep him, forsaking all others, keeping only unto him as long as you both shall live? If so, respond, I do.
I do.
After all these years, I still love you. Through every single tear we've ever cried. 'Cause after all these years, it brought the two of us right here. No place I'd rather be. After all these years, no place I'd rather be. After all these.
I pronounce that they are husband and wife together, in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. These two whom God has joined together as one, let no person separate. Max, you may kiss your bride.
'Cause I still want you next to me.